Hello world, welcome to the 36th video on my YouTube channel where I'm building my own digital assistant like Jarvis from the Iron Man movies. In this video we're going to do something a little different. One of the most unique and oddest content types on YouTube is the impressive success of people unpackaging toys and products. And so to capitalize on that success, I'm going to unpackage two new toys of my own that I bought. The first is my new webcam, which I'm recording here. And the second is my Raspberry Pi 4 starter kit. So the Amazon links for both are in the description below. So first is this webcam that you're seeing in the corner of the screen. This is portable and connects via USB, so I can use it in my Python projects and to record videos. So this is it right here, this Logitech ProStream webcam. It's full HD, 1080p. It connects on your laptop here. Yep, nothing too crazy about it. So as my channel becomes more popular, I can upgrade my recording camera. And I plan to have my webcam when recording videos in the right hand corner, as you can see now, since that seems to be the industry standard, especially on some of my favorite YouTubers such as ScentDex or Tech with Tim. So next we'll be unpackaging my Vilros Raspberry Pi 4 starter kit. I bought that here. This is what I bought right here. Raspberry Pi 4 starter kit. It's red and white. So in this video we won't be installing it or running any code since I haven't bought the 7-inch touchscreen yet, but I plan to, and that'll be in the next video of my series. So let's open it and check it out. So it comes in a package like this from Amazon. I live in a very dense city in Washington, D.C., and it came to me in less than one day. So I hope you have the same service if you do order it. So first, it comes with this case right here. It pops open like this, and when you do your projects, instead of having the connections all visible, you can have it right here in this case. Okay. Next, it comes with a little starter guide. So we will be running through this together, along with some other tutorials when we hook up the Raspberry Pi. Next is this HDMI cable right here. So it has a female connection here, and then a mini HD male connection here. And the male connection goes into the HDMI, mini HDMI port on the Raspberry Pi. It also comes with these little heat sinks, these little cute heat sinks here. So that's used to place on the Raspberry Pi 4. So we're going to be using it to control Arduino boards and to do some image detection. So it'll probably cause quite a bit of processing power, and that's what the heat sinks are for. That's one of the chief complaints in older Raspberry Pis was the cooling system. Okay. Next is a power supply. Seems kind of silly, but some of the Raspberry Pi starter kits don't come with it. So you have to get USB to this lightning charger right here and plug it into your computer like I have to do with my Arduino board. So if you are going to do a Raspberry Pi 4 project, make sure you get a power supply. I highly encourage that. And last and most important is the Raspberry Pi 4 computer itself. Here it is. This is a tiny computer. It has these two HDMI inputs here. That's the mini HDMI I just showed you. It has a bunch of USB ports and a LAN connection here. Alright, it has some GPIOs, general purpose input output, just like an Arduino board would. Here is the power, and then headphones, I believe, or audio, I should say. Two HDMI ports too. That's one of the unique things with the Raspberry Pi 4, so you can do dual monitor or separate visualizations. Alright, so quick video on me showing off my new webcam and the new Raspberry Pi 4 that I bought. So if these products interest you, please use the affiliate links below in the description to purchase them. They are the Amazon affiliate program, so I will get paid if you do purchase them, and it helps support this channel. So this is the first video in my Raspberry Pi 4 playlist, and I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please consider subscribing to my channel, like this video, and then comment below what you think my first Raspberry Pi 4 project should be. So I already know what I want to do, but if some people are more interested in something, if I can help somebody in a way, I am a novice, barely intermediate, but mostly novice programmer, so we kind of learn together if you're subscribing to this channel. And so, if not, I'm just going to continue with some of my projects that I have in mind that I'm kind of keeping a secret because it'll be a surprise, and I can use bait clicky, descriptions to get more subscribers. So I hope you like this video. Goodbye, world.